Don't blame you, but I can't change you. Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Blue by Billie Eilish. Now this song is Billie Eilish's most recent album at the time, very atmospheric, full of vibes, and yeah, this would be a very fun song to play with your guitar. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible, and as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to be playing in this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the C major chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Next up is going to be the E minor chord. That is going to be open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Next up is going to be the D major chord. That's going to be dead string, open, 2, 3, 2. Next up is going to be the A minor chord. That's going to be a dead string, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Next up is going to be the C minor chord, which means that we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 3rd fret from the A string down to the high E string. As for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string in the lower E string. It's going to be 3, 5, 5, 4, 3. Then lastly, it's going to be the G major chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. So all in all, I've got the C major chord, E minor chord, D major chord, A minor chord, C minor chord. It's going to be the G major chord. Okay, so when it comes to Billie Eilish structuring this song, there's mainly going to be 2 parts. And for this guitar tutorial, we're going to be focusing on the first half or the first part of the song first. The strumming pattern that we're going to be using for the first part of this song is going to be this one right here. So it's going to be like this. Just like that. So with that said, if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your finger for the up strums. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. So once again, down, down, up, down, up. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And as for the chord progression for the first part of the song, it's going to be this one right here. So it's basically just going to be the C major chord for 2 counts, and the E minor chord for 2 counts, then the D major chord for 2 counts, and the A minor chord for 2 counts. Then after that, we're pretty much just going to be repeating this chord progression for a total of 12 repetitions. Then that's basically going to be it for the first part of the song as we transition to the next one. So once again, C major chord for 2 counts, E minor, D, then A minor. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the second part of this song, the strumming pattern is going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Once again, using this for our down strums and this for our up strums. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And same thing for our pick, which is going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And this time, we're going to be using our strumming pattern for every 4 whole counts that we're going to be playing for each chord in the section of the song. Okay, and when it comes to the chord progression that we're going to use for the second part of the song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this, C minor chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice. So here it goes. So that's going to be the C minor chord for 8 counts. Then G for 8 counts as well. Yep, then after that, we're just going to be playing this chord progression for a total of 16 repetitions up until the very end of this song, and that's basically it for this part of the song. So once again, C minor chord for 8 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I don't blame you, but I can't change you. Don't hate you, but we can't save you. So yeah, that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.